Hi, my name's Nicola Richardson. Welcome to my channel. I run a jewellery shop called Pink Vintage Jewellery. It's an online shop. I sell on Etsy and I sell through my own website as well. And in this video, I just want to talk to you about moulding compound to make your own jewellery moulds. It's something I've just discovered. It's the first time I've ever tried it, so I thought I'd get a quick video. And if you are a beginner, don't be frightened. It's really easy and it's really simple to use. I've recently come back off holiday and I got this lovely little shell and I want to turn it into a little pendant necklace just for myself as a little reminder of my holiday. And this is the mould. It worked out really well. And I'm going to fill that with metal clay and make myself a little pendant. So the following video is just a little demonstration on how to mix them together and what you need to do to get a successful mould. This moulding compound, I think I got it from Cooks and Gold. It's about £16, I do believe, around that price, and you can get, I don't know, probably at least 30 or 40 different moulds from that, so I think it's quite a good price really. Okay then, thank you, bye. The first thing you have to do is make sure you've got really clean hands and that they're very dry as well. And then you need to take equal parts of the white compound and equal parts of the blue compound. So you're looking for a 50-50 ratio. Once you're happy with the ratio, it's just a question of mixing them together now. Give it a good squish and try and get rid of all the white colour. So the moulding compound is more of a paler blue. And you just keep doing this until you cannot see any white at all. You've got to work pretty quickly as it will start to set within a couple of minutes. So try and do this as quickly as you can. Now you're happy that it's been mixed thoroughly, it's time to roll it into a ball and gently pat down onto a flat surface. Place the object that you are wanting to mould into the compound and then walk away. Do not touch it, do not mess with it, and come back in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can come back to see if the mould has been a success. I've gently removed the seashell and I was really impressed with the impression that was left behind, and hopefully this should give me a lovely little pendant necklace to remind me of my holiday in Croatia. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.